Good evening, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan from MPIinvest.com. Welcome to our post market podcast. Well, today everybody would think that there was yet again a fall, but if you look at the market, it is actually up 0.03%. Yes, the market actually closed slightly higher than yesterday. Of course, by a small margin, which was 0.03%. So if you look at the market today, yes, the market opened with a slight gap up at 16,854 and the fall continued for the day and finally settled at 16,682.65. Of course, this was slightly more than yesterday. The market did close slightly higher, but things are not looking good. Of course, one good thing I can say, being an expiry also, the FIIs have actually sold for just 2074 crores and DIIs have continued to buy slightly more than the FIIs. They bought for 2229 crores. This is looking good, but then you know what is the biggest challenge that's coming up? Well, as we speak, I am looking at the US market. US market is open, and if you look at the US market as of now, the Nasdaq is down by almost 4%. Yes, it has been falling from the time it opened today, and if you look at S&P 500, it is down 2.83% and Dow Jones is minus 2.23%. So this is not looking good at all. In fact, yesterday the market went up after the Federal Reserve announced the rate hike, but today it is falling again. So like I told you, the actual reaction to yesterday's RBI monetary policy reveal is going to be seen only in the coming 2-3 days. So we are yet to watch out and see. But if Nasdaq and Dow Jones actually close so low, there are chances we could see opening tomorrow in India close to 16,550 to 16,600, which could be a major gap down again. So things are not looking great right now. In fact, it is time, we are going to have a bearish view on the market. Yes, major supports have been broken. So we could even expect the market go down to even 16,000 if this continues until there is something really good. Of course, we have Reliance market results coming up tomorrow, but that is after the market hours, the effect of which needs to be seen only on Monday. And then the only support that we could expect is from SBIN, and which is also expected to come with good results sometime soon. So with that, it is time, we could actually start buying some good stocks. Yes, that's what I say. When we see fear all around, is the right time to start buying. And that's exactly what we're doing. Buying good stocks as an SIP to ensure that we get great returns over a period of time. So for investor, there is no better time than this to start buying on a SIP mode every week. That ensures that you will get a great return over a period of time. Now coming to some stock specific news, today we could see ABB. In fact, today morning I told you ABB is one stock on our radar. But then I did not want to enter this today because I was a little busy with the weekly expiry, and ABB is up 12% in the day. TVS also is up 3% after the results came in. So these are two stocks which is of course in my radar. Would be adding some more in the coming days. Now coming to LIC IPO, the IPO has been subscribed 84% as on day 2 today, out of which if you see the retail interest is kind of still lesser. Of course, major members are people who would be already having a LIC policy and they've applied in the policyholder quota, and we could see the policyholder quota we subscribe almost 2.54 times, whereas the retail quota is just subscribed 77%. Employee quota is also subscribed 1.73 times. So this actually shows a great interest in by the policyholders and employees, whereas if you look at the non-institutional quota, it is just 33% subscription, and qualified institutional buyers quota has just subscribed 34%, which is of course not looking great. But of course, there are 2 more days. Let us see how things turn up. That's about some stock specific news. But if you look at the market, Yes, I'm going to place some bearish bets on the market for a short time, and looking forward to some trades also in the other way. But if you look at the trades that we had taken this week, we had an amazing week because at the Gold Club we actually made a profit of almost 2.5%. The Gold Plus made almost a return of almost 3% in this week, and if you look at the Silver Plus team, they have made a return of whopping 1.5 to 2% among the different members. So that's something amazing, right? So yes, in such a difficult time we have come out profitable. That itself is something really amazing. So if you want to take trade with us, do join the community. Details are given on the website. So with that team, as of now, I am looking for a gap down opening tomorrow unless the US market actually recovers like magic yesterday, but which I am not expecting much today. So let us see how the market actually opens up. Let us discuss more about it tomorrow morning in the morning podcast. So let us catch up tomorrow to ensure that we are knowledgeable and are informed enough to ensure we are confident for the day. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. But before that, do remember to press the like button if you love this content. Thank you. Goodbye.